Stuck with a generic Get in Touch subheading on your Namecheap contact form? Here's exactly how to change it in under a minute. We'll click into the editor, select the contact form, edit the subheading, and save. Let's start. First, open your site in the Namecheap website builder. Now, you might be wondering why this is so hidden. It's because the contact form is a smart element, and Namecheap groups all its text settings inside the form itself, so don't go looking for a separate text settings menu. Just open your site in the editor, and we'll handle it from right there on the page. Now, locate and click on the contact form element. It's usually somewhere in the middle of your page. Just click directly on the form box itself, not on the text inside it. When you click on it, you'll see the editing toolbar pop up above it. That's your cue that you've selected it properly. And here's a quick tip from experience. If you click on the text instead of the form, you might end up editing the wrong thing, so make sure the whole form is highlighted. Inside the form settings, find the subheading text. Now, when you look at the toolbar that appeared, you'll see a few different options. Look for the one that says subheading. It's usually the second line of text in the form. Click on that word, and it will become editable right there in the editor. You don't have to dig through any confusing menus or pop-up windows. It's all right there on the page. Type your new subheading directly into the text field. Just erase the old text and type in whatever you want. This is where you can make it your own. You could change it to send us a message, let's work together. We'd love to hear from you, or whatever fits your brand. And here's a detail I always appreciate. You can also change the styling. Just highlight the text and a mini formatting bar will appear. You can change the font size, color, alignment, and even make it bold. So don't feel limited to just changing the words. You can really make it blend in with the rest of your site's style. After editing, click Continue to apply changes. This is a quick step, but an important one. When you click outside the text field, a small Continue button will appear right above the form. Click that to lock in your edit. If you don't click it, the editor might not save what you just typed. I've seen people skip this and then wonder why nothing changed when they previewed the site. So make sure you hit that Continue button before you move on. Finally, save your site to make the change live. Now, go up to the top right corner of the screen and click the Save button. This is the big one. If you close the editor without saving, all that work is gone. And after you save, you'll notice a big blue Publish button appears. Click that to push your updated site live. Preview to confirm, then publish your updated site. Namecheap will give you a quick publish confirmation, and that's it. Your new subheading is live for everyone to see. And that is how you take a generic contact form and make it feel like your own. Thanks for watching.